Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the Owl.
This is Hop Hop the Owl's house. Look, Hop Hop is playing with a helicopter. The propeller is spinning. Peck the woodpecker is pulling a truck with a rope. Can it be attached to the helicopter? Shall we try?
Attach it.
It worked! Peck is pulling the helicopter behind him, and the propeller is spinning. Turn around.
Uh-oh.
A little accident. The balls from the truck spilled out.
Let's straighten up.
What if we put the balls in the helicopter? The propeller has a hole in it.
It's for the balls. Look here.
1. The number 1 lit up. 2. The number 2. Please go on. 3, 4.
And 5.
All the numbers lit up. The lights too. And the propeller is spinning.
Wow!
What a surprise, birds! It turns out that it's a musical toy. Is something wrong, Peck? I wonder what he's gonna do. A little lamb. I see. The woodpecker wants to put it into the helicopter. But it's not gonna work that way. And the buttons with numbers don't help.
Peck, wait!
Hop has an idea. He presses the arrow button and the cabin opens.
This is a pilot's cabin.
And here is the pilot. The little lamb is going to fly the helicopter. Time to take off? Hop, put the helicopter on the ground.
Press it!
The cargo bay opened. The balls are spilling out.
Shall we play again?
Sure. We put 2 balls into the helicopter, and the numbers light up, 1 and 2. We can play like this all day.
Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop the Owl.
Look at that nice car. And who is that hiding behind the tire?
I'm going to catch you up.
The little birds are here. Hi, birds. Let's play with the new car. Do you see these slots? A heart, a triangle, a star, a circle, and a square.
A square? A square!
Hop Hop remembered a block that he saw on the road.
A square!
Great idea, little owl. Every side of a cube is a square. So we can put the square block through the car's square slot.
An ant?
That's right. There's an ant hiding in your car. He probably wants a ride. Hop Hop is opening the hood of the car. There's an ant there. And also
A triangle!
put the pieces into the car. A triangle, a square.
Hey!
There are 3 shapes still missing.
Let's go and look.
No? You don't want to go, Peck?
That's right! We can ride!
That's a great idea, little birds. Are the ants going too? There's even a place for Hop Hop. Off we go! The birds are going to look for some shapes for their toy. The wheel is spinning really fast. A snail is crawling along the road. It just passed a cylinder. Ah, it got scared. The snail hit its head in its shell, so now it looks like a circle, just like the side of the cylinder. Don't get confused, little birds.
A circle!
Hop Hop is dropping the cylinder into the car.
Oi, oi.
Great work. Shall we keep looking?
Huh?
What's that? Rustling around in the bushes. A heart shape? The ants found it and are carrying it to the car.
A heart!
Now only one shape is missing. Which one?
The star!
Let's go! Now Hop Hop's behind the wheel. The birds are taking turns driving the car. Oh, you're stuck in some sand. It's a sandbox. Hop Hop and Peck are going to look for a star in the sand. They need shovels. Dig, dig, dig. Peck has found something. A star?
It's a starfish!
Yes, Hop Hop. It's a sand mold. And this star shape is for your toy.
A star!
Birds, the ants are inviting you for a ride.
Hey, let's go!
It's so fun to ride in a new car. And here we'll make a stop, right in front of Hop Hop's house.
Let's play some more!
Birds are taking the shapes and running to hide them. It's such a fun game.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the Owl.
Hop Hop the Owl and his friend Peck the Woodpecker are going for a fun ride. Look, little birds. What's that the ants are playing with? They're rolling a green cylinder block on the grass. And there are lots more wooden blocks on the table. These are pieces of a game. The pieces must be stacked on the hemisphere block without tipping the balance. The pieces mustn't topple over.
Let's play!
Great! Where's the dice? Well done, Peck. But this one won't do. We need the dice with colored circles on its sides. Yes, this is the one. You won't be able to reach it with your wing.
Nope, you can't. You need a stick.
Hop Hop has a good idea. A stick can poke and move the block. Yes, it worked. Now we can play. Peck, do you want to go first?
You start.
You must roll the dice and see which circle comes up on top. Red. Peck must pick a red block. Choose one and put it on top of the hemisphere block. Hop Hop, now it's your turn.
Green.
Take a green block. Good job! Peck goes next. Yellow. He has to put a yellow piece on top. Did it work okay? Yes, the tower stayed up.
Orange.
Oh, the tower is wobbling. But it didn't fall. A mosquito! It's landed on the tower, and it's upsetting the balance. The tower toppled over. Sorry, Hop Hop. You lost.
That's not fair.
Don't get upset. Peck will catch the mosquito. Got him.
Mosquito, stop spoiling our game.
The mosquito understands. Wow, we have some new players. What color does the dice show? Green.
Hey, ants, do you want to play with us?
Of course! They've already rolled the dice. Green. Purple. Orange. You guys have yellow. Oh dear, the tower is leaning to the side. Hop Hop, your turn. Put a red piece on top. The mosquito's being helpful this time. He balanced the tower of blocks. Peck and ants, don't be disappointed. Next time, you could win. Oh, the mosquito is flying away. Kaboom!
Oh, no.
Now you can start the game all over again.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop
Hop the owl.
Hello, Hop Hop. What are you playing with? A rake, a spade, and a truck.
Peck, Peck, catch up!
Peck has brought a plastic tractor. The little birds are going to the lake. There they can play on the sandy shore. Oh, what's that?
A pool!
You're right, Hop Hop. This basin will make an excellent swimming pool. Now Peck will build a base for the swimming pool. He's digging a hole with the tractor's bucket. Hop Hop will dig with his spade. 1, 2, 3, 4, and done! Let's level out the sand on the sides. Bring the basin here, Peck. Oh, it's heavy! What if we try together? The little birds managed it together. Is something missing? Yes! Let's fill the pool up with water. What can we use to get water from the lake? Of course! The bucket! The bucket is full. And the tractor, too. Peck filled the tractor's bucket with water. Quick! Take the water to the pool. Pour it in. Splash! The woodpecker is pouring water from the tractor bucket. You can even bring water over in this dump truck. Well done, little birds! The pool is full.
Let's go fishing!
That's a great idea! If you catch a fish and put it into the pool, you'll have an aquarium. Hop Hop is trying to catch a fish with a net. Peck is in a big inflatable pink rubber ring. And he has a net too. Splash! And where's the fish? Oh, there it is! The owl caught one, and the woodpecker caught another. Let's put the fish in our aquarium. Ooh, they're swimming around. This ended up being such a fun game. Oh, but their toy cars are all dirty now. The tractor is covered in sand. And the truck, too. What is it we need?
A car wash!
Of course! Now they're playing the car wash game. Washing cars is so fun.